Susie's drivers are primarily environmental. She's involved in a lot of ocean care projects. She's very passionate about those. So the economic argument was important, but much more important was the environmental. So I think she just wants to leave a really positive legacy and to make her footprints as small as possible. So it was just a good fit for her. Yes, she was buying green power before, but now she's creating her own green power and contributing that to the main grid. Susie's bills were about $400 per quarter, so not massive, but she was looking and is looking at expanding her operation, so it was likely that her usage was going to go up. So we oversized a system for her in line with that. And so she's getting a credit on her bill now. Obviously, with a 16 kilowatt system, she's getting quite a sizable credit, which is great because she's ticking both boxes. She's able to do her thing environmentally and protect our planet, which is critical for her and really important for us as well. And she's able to get her operating costs way down. Probably the biggest challenge with that site was the steepness of the roof. There are only so many installers that are prepared to work on that sort of pitched roof. That was really the main thing, and just getting the cabling down to where the meter box was a bit of a challenge.